Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to put your shop on vacation on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. If you are logged in into your account, you will find yourself with this home or with this main page, and of course with the welcome back sentence with your username or your name right here. If you are not logged in into your account, you will find at the top right corner a sign in option instead of all these icons. If you click on it, you will be able to log in into your account or even to create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or even your Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So, sorry, once you did one of the options, you'll be able to see this as your homepage with the welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to put our shop on vacation. So, of course, if you have a shop, you'll need to go and click at the top right corner shop icon, which is the shop manager. Just go into that, and you'll find yourself here with this homepage in the shop manager. Of course, from here, you'd like to go and click at the left options at settings. And from here, just look for options, which is the fourth option right here. Just go and click on it. And here you will have several options right here. So of course, what you are looking for here is vacation mode, which is right here at the top. Just go and click on it. And of course, for me, my account is suspended. I cannot do that. I just didn't pay $1 bill that I should pay. But of course, for you, you will find a setting here that you can put it on or off. Of course, you would like to put this vacation mode into on, and then you would like to fill in a temporarily shop announcement and the message to auto reply the customers that's going to, or that are going to try to buy from your shop. Then you will have to click at save at the bottom of the page and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.